Hello and welcome to Abby Varieties TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook the perfect Nigerian party jollof rice. So let's get right into the video. First, we'll be blending our peppers together. Here I have 4 long red peppers, 5 tatashe or bell peppers, 2 canned tomatoes, 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and thumb-sized ginger. We'll cook all this together in a pot till the liquid dries up and it becomes paste-like. Then we'll be back. Now let's check our peppers. You can see the water has reduced and it's become paste-like, which is what we want. So now we'll pour 1.5 cup of cooking oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, and then we'll heat this up to be very hot. So when it's hot, we're gonna add our diced onions and fry the onion for about 1 minute. You want to stir that. So for the purpose of accurate measurement for this video, I like to use the measuring cup to get my pepper into the oil, which is what I'm doing here. Here we have our first cup, and then we have the second cup of pepper, and then we're able to get the third cup, and here is our 4th cup. So in all, we're able to get 4 cups of our paste-like pepper after it's been cooked. Then you give it a quick stir. Then you add 2 tablespoons of thyme, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 4 bay leaves, and then you give that a quick stir. Then we add 4 cups of hot water or warm water, hot water preferably, but make sure it's not cold water, please. And then you stir together. Then you cover and bring that to a boil. While that's boiling, you have to wash your rice. Here we'll be using 4 cups of Basmati rice. Now our stew is boiling and we're ready to scoop in our rice. Make sure your rice is well washed to get rid of cloudness. So we'll be scooping in our rice like so. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe as I have varieties of food recipes to share with you. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate you a lot. I promise to make this channel very interesting and educative. At this point, you want to add your seasoning. Here I'm using 4 tablespoons of crayfish. Feel free to use more or less. 2 tablespoons of bouillon powder. You can use any seasoning of choice. You can use no Maggi or any Maggi at all, but I'm using bouillon powder. Then you want to give that a quick mix. Then you want to taste your stew. Here my stew needs more salt, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Now you want to taste for the second time. Now the taste is perfect for me, but you can adjust yours if need be. Then we'll be adding 3.5 cups of hot or warm water. hot water preferably, and I believe this should cook our jollof rice till soft. Although different rice has different cooking time, so you may want to check the cooking instruction. Now we'll add our sliced tomatoes and of course sliced onions. Then we'll mix all together. Then we cover the pot and cook our jollof rice for 40 minutes or till done. It's been 40 minutes. Let's check our jollof rice. You want to check if it's soft enough. Yes, our jollof rice is very soft at this time and is well cooked. Try this recipe and I would like to see your comment, and please check out my other videos. Thanks very much for watching.